Rotate the instrument panel backwards. Invert flash. Remove the rear wheel fixing nut. Remove the anti-rotation plate and screw. The operation method on the other side is the same. Cut off the cable tie. Disconnect the motor wire. Remove the chain from the toothed disc. Loosen the screw and remove the chain tensioner. Remove the rear wheel. Gently tap the side of the freewheel fixing ring to loosen it. Remove the freewheel. Loosen the fixing nut of the motor end cover. The operation method on the other side is the same. Loosen the fixing nut of the disc brake disc. Remove the brake disc rotor. Gently tap the side of the motor end cover with a screwdriver. Remove the motor end cover on one side. Gently tap the motor shaft to remove the core. Remove the motor end cover on the other side. After replacing the new motor core, install the gasket. Install one end cover. Install the motor core back into the wheel hub. Install the other end cover. Tighten the screws in sequence. Install gasket and freewheel. Tighten with specialized tools. Install disc brake disc. Tighten the screws in sequence. Install anti-rotation plates on both sides of the rear axle. Align the rear axle with the grappling hook. Connect the motor wires. Fix the motor wires with cable ties. Install the motor fixing plate. Tighten the screws. Install the fixing screws for the rear wheel axle. The operation steps on the other side are the same. Install the chain into the toothed disc. Tighten the chain. Tighten the tensioner screw. Installation is complete.